Hey folks, today we will be exploring life of the African wild dog in northern Africa, regarding its habitat, primarily focusing on daily and yearly caloric intake, kleptoparasitism, and factors that lead to the continuous decline of the African wild dog.
The African wild dog was formerly found all throughout the African continent. Today, this species is found only in 7% of its former range and is classified as endangered. Adult wild dogs stand at 2 to 3 feet tall and typically weigh 50 to 70 pounds with a lifespan of 10 to 12 years. Packs consist of 30 to 50 individuals, which include 4 to 20 adults and their pups. A typical hunt for a wild dog lasts about 3.5 hours, and their preferred prey is Thompson gazelle and greater kudu.
A 55-pound African wild dog has a basal metabolic rate, known as BMR, of 3.4 megajoules per day. The BMR is important to note in order to understand the daily energy expenditure needed for normal survival function of the individual. If you take 6 adults, we get a BMR average of 20.4 megajoules per day. This is equivalent to 35 pounds of meat consumed for a 6-member pack, which is an average of 7 pounds per individual. This makes sense, since the average gazelle weighs 26 to 165 pounds. This makes it possible to feed the majority of the pack.
Because a pack of adult dogs are able to expand their energy to hunt large prey, an opportunistic hyena benefits from this. This interaction between hyenas and wild dogs is known as kleptoparasitism, where hyenas steal wild dogs' kills. More than half of kills in open habitats are lost to kleptoparasitism. A quarter of the kills lost increases foraging time to 12 hours a day for the wild dog. Now imagine how half of these kills lost may drastically affect a pack.
This decline of the African wild dog. Apart from kleptoparasitism, predators, climate change, and most importantly, anthropogenic factors. The increase of temperatures caused by climate change affects foraging costs and maternal input for rearing a young pup. In addition, the anthropogenic factors include road accidents and killing wild dogs in retaliation for predation on livestock.
Predation and competition for resources may lead to the possible extinction of this endangered mammal.